Now we come to our first task where we want to configure an interlock for bay number 1. The interlock is that you can only open the first disconnect switch when this breaker is opened as well. Before this breaker is not open, you cannot open the first disconnect switch here on the top. So in order to do this, you need to connect information. Information is located here in information routing. And I will just explain you something about this relay and basically something basic about this relay. So if you go on the circuit breaker, you find different folders or function groups. So you find one, it's called interlocking, and it shows you you can only, it's like enable opening, enable closing. And if you go into circuit breaker, because what we need to know is the position of the breaker and send this information to the disconnect switch. So here you can see if it's a 3-pole breaker, there's information called is the breaker open or closed. And for our disconnect switch, I will show you the same thing. The disconnect 1 switch has a section called interlocking and enable opening or enable closing. So what we will do, we will send information from our circuit breaker, the position of the circuit breaker, and map this to the enable opening data point. Only if this information is true, enable opening is true, then you can really open the breaker.